What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another session of Build, Break, and Fix brought to you by the two of the rule coders today, Tori and Zane. How are you doing, Tori? You right?
Doing good, man. How's your weekend?
Pretty productive and pretty full on as well. How was yours?
Oh, nice. Yeah, busy weekend for sure. Like doing a lot of stuff. I have like projects I have to work on and stuff.
Fantastic. How are they going? They're going pretty good.
Yeah, it's going all right. Everything just takes time.
Yeah, yeah. That's one of the perks of the software development that it works when it wants to and it will take time and it makes the devs learn patience.
Yeah, definitely a lot of patience for sure.
Hmm. Fantastic. So I'll just go with the acknowledgement for the country and then we will get right into action. So here goes. I begin today by acknowledging the traditional custodians of the land on which we gather today and pay my respects to the elders past, present, and future. I extend that respect to Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people here today. Fantastic. Now that is all done. So just to give a brief recap, we were working on getting the connection ID, as in the user's connection ID in DynamoDB when they connect to
Nice.
AWS with WebSockets. So I
Hiya,
did a bit
cute
of.
Jesse. All right.
Sorry, I was too in the zone. I should have welcomed the viewers first and then continued.
My
Sorry
bad.
about
Didn't
that,
mean to interrupt
Jesse.
you, Zane.
No, no, no. The viewers always come first, mate. So
I agree.
you did the right thing there. So yeah, welcome to Jesse. Really good to have you, and apologies for the previous one where I totally skipped it. Tori taught me a lesson, so thank you, Tori. So yeah, I worked on it last night, as in by myself, and I managed to get that working.
Yeah, saw that.
So
Great.
yeah, thank
Nice
you.
job.
So
Nice job, Zane.
thank you, right? Yeah, it took a while, but eventually we got there. Right, so I'll just share my screen as in show you how it's working first of all. I really hope it works now. Oh yeah, it does. Okay.
Oh, cool. Nice.
You know what
Was
the
it like
problem was?
it was a OS thing?
The Chrome had to be updated.
Oh, really? That's it? Okay.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
cool.
That is all, my friend. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna just go to the terminal and I updated my terminal as well. Oh, come on. We've just started. You wanna turn off on us? That's not good. I'm gonna put this juicy up a bit. Right, so I installed a new theme as well. I don't know
Oh,
if you can
nice.
tell.
Uh, you're,
Oh, have I not shared it?
no, you did. It's just a little small on my screen
Ah,
at the moment.
actually, how about
Yeah,
now?
make it big. Okay, yeah, it's blue.
Yeah,
Looks like you're missing some icons though.
yeah.
That happened to me before.
Mhm. So how did you get them though?
Um, if I remember correctly, you have to install some or change your font.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you might have to change your terminal font, I think, or
Right,
install a new font that supports the symbols. What do
right. I
I
see.
use? I think I use Fira code something. Fira
Right,
code.
right. Fira code. Right. I need to have a look at that one as well. Okay, cool. So I will just really quickly demonstrate how it's working at the moment. And by the way, I also changed our um account IDs, so now it's raw quotas.
Oh, cool. Okay, nice.
So it's a lot easier to
To
remember
log
now. Yeah.
in. Nice.
Oh,
Oh, you turned on your
yeah.
phone. Good job. I will turn that on
Now
too.
an extra step.
I will
Three
turn it
three
on.
six four 240. Oops. Okay. Never mind.
It is definitely worth having it though.
Yeah. Yeah. True. What? Seriously? I definitely remember that I did this. Come on, dude. 507. Okay, cool. That's fine. I don't know why this comes up, but when I sign in again, it works perfectly fine.
Uh huh. That's odd. Whatever.
Yeah.
Let me turn on
So
my.
cloud formation. So if you go to your user
Yeah.
and click on your user, it will be the second option from the manage
Account.
console.
Yeah.
So you go to your IAM user.
Oh, it's in the. I gotta do it in IAM. Okay.
Yeah. All right. So if
Oh,
we
wonder if it's.
do,
I think there's a new. With the new console, I think they added some. Yeah, I can. I can. There's like a drop down, and then you have like your security credentials. Cool. All right.
yeah, yeah,
Doing it
yeah.
right now.
Oh,
I'm gonna
fantastic.
point my phone at the screen.
All right. Are you gonna do it now?
Yeah. Otherwise, I'll forget.
Yeah, for sure.
There we go. It's done.
Perfect. All right. So now we got that. Let's go to PySocket, and so just for the viewers to see that I'm not lying. There we go. The connection has been established, and now if we go to um, the WebSocket table, there should be in total two connection IDs, one from the yesterday and one from today. So there you go. That's the second one. Voila.
Nice.
Okay. Tori, do you wanna take over and do the disconnection one?
Yeah. Sure. Let me.
I'll guide
Are
you.
there?
Mhm.
Are there? Did you push those
Yes,
changes?
yes.
Cool.
I did it last night. Mhm.
Nice.
Yeah, I just don't want a single point of failure. So that's why it's always good for multiple people in the team to know what's happening and how does it happen. So if I can't turn up, then you have that knowledge and you can keep on continuing.
Is the hope.
We all learn. We all learn,
Yeah.
and
I think the biggest hangup would be for myself personally would be working with the YAML file just because I don't really it would take me forever to figure out what to put in there and what to put in there.
well, okay. From this step, how did I know it
You learned it.
exactly?
Yeah.
So everything is learnable. It's just
Oh
if
yeah.
you
It'll
if
just
you
take me
invest. Mhm. Yeah, because it took me about 2 to 3 days to get my head around what's working and how it's working, and what actually made it really easy. is when I was explaining the concept to you guys, as in you finish Kartik. Yeah. So
Yep.
explaining really helps, and which is why I would prefer if you do the disconnection part, and I will still guide you, but you would actually have some hands on.
Okay, sounds good. I'll share my screen.
Cool. Perfect. Um, Q Jesse, just to let you know that I know you requested the background music in the last stream. The reason why I can't put it on from my end because I'm using a headset. So if I put on the music, then only I would be able to hear it. I don't know if Tori, you have the extension in which you can actually play the music from background. Have you?
What extension?
Actually,
No, I don't.
it's called the Volume Master. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I
Mhm.
don't have anything like that. Does the screen share not capture the audio from the computer?
So I'm doing the headset. So if I play it, only the music will be able to come in my headset. You guys won't hear it.
I see. Yeah, I use a
Ah, right,
headset
right. I
too,
see.
man.
Yeah.
I don't have a
Okay.
mic.
Yeah.
Sorry.
That's all right.
Yeah, we can
No
look into
problem.
that next time. I'm surprised. Like
Mhm.
usually, usually there's a way to play like the audio from the computer that you're stream,
Right, right, right. I
but
see.
I'm not. The only thing I'm seeing is being able to play a video file. Let me. What
Oh,
happens?
I see.
What
Yeah,
happens?
that's just clips.
What happens if I just go to YouTube and play music? Can you hear it? Oh yeah, you
Um,
can, right?
Worth of a try, because it
You can
doesn't
hear
happen
the
in
video.
my case.
Let's see. Um, what is going on here? Is there music? I don't.
Just type in the search bar, kind of coding songs, whatever.
Coding song
Yeah,
lullabies.
lullabies. Yeah, whatever they're called.
Okay, let me go back here. Oh man, I don't even know what YouTube
I think
music
it's
is.
much easier if you just type in the
I
search bar
will
of the normal YouTube, as in just
coding.
coding music. Or yeah, and then it will just come up with the videos. Yeah, just play any, probably. Just
Let's
want to
see.
check if we can hear it. We can hear it, yes.
You can. The problem is, well, it's okay. I can still hear.
Yeah, but why can't I hear it though? Uh,
You
as
can't hear
in when no, when I put the music on my one, no one hears it because it's in my headset. But you have your headset on as well,
it. I do.
but we can hear you. That's weird.
I think it's
Anyway,
because
mhm.
yeah. Is it too loud? Is that good?
Yeah, yeah, perfectly fine.
Right there is good.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay, because otherwise, it if it's too loud, I can't really hear you.
yeah, yeah. That
I'm
makes
gonna,
sense.
I'm gonna do worse now. I'm one of those lame people who can't like listen to music. Um,
Oh man. Okay, do you want to do your pull first?
I did. I got it.
Okay,
Here,
there
I'll,
you
I'll
go.
run it again just in case.
All right, but do you want to know what the problem was?
Today, yeah, I do. I definitely do.
In the connection ID, um, when we were putting that as an object, as a string object. Yeah, on that line.
Oh yeah. Uh huh.
Yeah,
That was the
that was a
problem.
problem. Yeah,
Okay. Why? It's just like the wrong
probably
syntax.
because it was apparently it was, and apparently if
Hmm.
we use doc client, then it doesn't accept in that format.
Doc, oh, this
As
one,
in,
the document. Oh,
yeah,
gotcha.
yeah, document
Okay.
document
Huh, I'll
client.
check that out later.
Yeah,
Did,
do that because yes, soon as I did number of changes, and also I've had to include a lot of things in YAML file too, which
oh,
is
there were some
yeah,
problems in the YAML too.
yeah, yeah. A lot of
Gotcha.
things weren't there, so that's just what I did.
So it wasn't just the Lambda.
No, no, no. It wasn't just the Lambda, but the connection roots and everything had to be there as well, as in
Gotcha.
the
Gotcha.
template. Mhm. So
Gotcha.
if you go to template,
Yep.
yeah. So you know how I've entered come down slowly.
More.
Yeah, more, more. Okay. From the line from the line 76, I've had to add things. There's a first I did the connect root, and then I've had to configure the permissions as well, then go down.
So you added all this.
Yeah, and then I've had to do the integration as well. The,
This.
yeah,
Gotcha.
and then the function itself, which was WebSocket Connect handler, that was basically already there, but just the two bits I've had to add to make it work.
Which 2 bits? Oh, these 2 bits. So you had this. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah,
Because yeah. Okay, and then you added these
yeah,
two: the connect route and the connect integration.
yeah.
What do those do exactly?
So the connect route, it basically tells the WebSocket API that this is the route that I want to go to, which actually targets the integration wherever the integration is. So in our case, we wanted to call the WebSocket Connect handler function, and apparently, from what I understand, we can't call that directly from the root. We need to call that function through the integration.
Oh, okay. Interesting. So is that what this target does?
Yeah,
Hmm. What is this? Do you know what this join thing is? Or it just joins these
um,
lines, or what?
it's a
I
good
don't
idea
know.
to Google that because I didn't really pay any attention. All I
Gotcha.
did was just check the overall concept and basically typed in, and it worked.
Gotcha.
But
But
what I
this
did,
ref points to
mhm,
this ref here. Like
yeah,
it's
yeah,
referencing this. Gotcha.
yes, but I don't know the join as in keyword.
Yeah, I've seen that before, and I'm
Mhm.
like, I don't know.
Yeah, I think it would be Google. It would be Google.
Yeah,
It would be googling it and checking. The So here's how I actually got to the point where I go. There was a repo from AWS. I literally just cloned it and ran that,
cool.
and that works perfectly fine, and these bits were included in there, as in to complete our stack.
Gotcha.
So I said, okay, let's have a go now, and it worked.
Nice. Whoa, that's great, man. That's great. Good job.
Fantastic.
Can I close
Yeah,
this
thank
template
you.
YAML now?
Huh?
Can I close the YAML file now?
Why?
Oh, we need it still? We're gonna
Yeah,
need it?
we need to do the disconnect functionality now on this one.
Oh, okay. So not in the Lambda yet. Gotcha.
Not yet, but
Okay.
we will be coming back to the disconnect Lambda, and
Bring the
that basically.
pain. Bring the
Yeah.
pain. Let's go.
All right. I would ask you to copy and paste it, but that's not what we're gonna do because I actually just typed it. No, 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 no. We
No,
don't
but
copy and
basically
paste
we're
it. Yes,
recreating this. Okay.
yes, recreating it. So if you just wanna basically actually, you know what? Copy and paste it. It's fine because it will take a lot longer for
Where do
do the
you where should I
typing.
put it? Does it
You can put underneath
un,
this as it um
right below it?
at
Oh, that's so nice.
no, 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 don't put below that.
Okay, darn.
hmm
All right.
Put
What
it
should I do?
underneath uh, config lambda permissions, which is on
This
line,
one. 112.
yeah, as in
Okay.
where this finishes, where that finishes. Ooh, check the keyboard warrior out.
Right here above VPC.
Yeah, please.
Cool.
Okay, now we need to change the root key to have a guess what.
Disconnect.
That's one.
Is it disconnect
And
like that? Yeah.
yeah,
It is, right?
yeah.
Okay.
And then the operation name to disconnect root.
Whoa.
Oh,
Wait a sec.
we don't
Yeah.
want to change everything.
Yeah. I don't know why it's highlighting like that. It's weird. Huh. That's funny. Like that.
Disconnect root. Yes, and on the top, it says 121,
Yep.
line 121. Yeah, change that to be the same as that. And then integration, we need disconnect integration.
Disconnect integration.
Yeah. So basically, wherever the name is connect, we're changing it to disconnect.
Gotcha. Okay. What about down here in the
Uh,
function handler?
okay, we need to create another function now. So if you go to this
Should I
function,
should I just change this to disconnect function handler though first?
yes, yeah, yeah,
Okay. Cool.
that's a good idea.
All right. Go to where? Up.
Go to the connection function.
Connection function.
Mhm.
Where is would
Actually, do you want to type that
be?
out? And down, down, where you were before.
Woo!
Too fast.
It's so scary down there. It's scary.
It's on 112.
111 1 1 2.
112,
This one?
and
Okay.
go up. No, no, not that one. Go up. The one above this. Yeah, that one. The WebSocket
Connection
connect handler
handler.
group. Yeah. How about if you type this one out and don't copy and paste it now?
Okay, so make it below here.
Um, Actually, copy and paste it. Don't worry. So from
No,
line
nobody's watching.
97, yeah, line, but you've got to remember I'm being recorded.
Hey, you know what? If I'm at work and that one's working and it's this doing the same thing, I'm copying and pasting for sure.
That's only if you understand what's happening, though.
That's what I'm saying. But
Yeah,
if I'm
yeah,
saying this one's working and I need the same thing, I'm gonna copy
yeah.
and paste because I don't want
Of
to make
course,
typos.
of course, of course.
My
Yeah.
job in debugging typos, hopefully.
Yeah, true. That's absolutely right, though. So yeah, just change the handler has to be on disconnect.
Oh, it's on
Okay,
disconnect. Gotcha. Thank
that's
you.
our handler function.
So this one's now
No,
WebSocket disconnect handler function, and then
yeah,
it's the
that's
on
fine.
disconnect handler.
Mhm. Yeah.
And is that the only? Everything else is good, right?
Connection table. Yes.
Policies.
Okay. Yeah, that would be alright. Go down. We need to create the permission for this as well.
Okay, so
WebSocket
this
connect.
this
Yeah.
Lambda permission.
Yeah.
Okay.
But just make
Uh,
sure you didn't change the one that was already there.
what do you mean?
So
Oh, you mean the order of it?
so uh,
Like
do a find on the WebSocket disconnect handler function.
this? Do a find.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Again.
There's only those two.
Okay. Cool. Yeah, that's fine then.
So then also give it its permissions.
Exactly right.
Gotcha. Oh no, no, no!
You just get a
I did not like
time.
that. There we go. Bam, right there. And the thing
Just
about doing it when you do it with the hotkeys is like you just get all the white space, which is important in this case, right?
mm-hmm.
Because
Yeah.
copying and pasting, yeah, you can mess up the white space.
Yeah. Exactly.
Disconnect Lambda permissions, WebSocket, disconnect handler function, and then the function name is this disconnect handler function. Are we good?
Yeah, looks like it.
It's so cool how it looks like I know what I'm doing.
Isn't it? All right. Just go at the top and just make sure all the, as in the root, the integration, and the function are there, and they're properly binded together.
The root.
As in the disconnect root, the disconnect integration, and the function.
All right, let's find that disconnect root. Okay, there it is. Oh, just make sure they're all together. Looks like they are. We start at the
Okay, how about if you
handler function
wanna organize it a bit, put one space between the two.
between the two functions, like that.
No, sorry. You know everything we need for the connect root integration function, and we've got two types of these now. The connect and disconnect, isn't it? Hang on, someone's calling me. Just bear with me. I need to
Sure.
attend a
Yeah, take it,
really
take it.
important call.
Absolutely, man. How's the music, cute Jesse? I hope it's good. All right, nice. Thank you.
Sorry about that.
No worries, man. Everything
All
good?
right. Yeah, everything good. Okay, so we did that, and now I'll let you guess what do we need to do on disconnect Lambda.
Did you say you wanted to organize this YAML first or something?
Actually, yes, but I don't think that's as important as first completing the
Okay,
whole functionality and
I'll
then
save
coming back
this.
to reorganize it. Yeah.
Okay,
Yep.
so where's that on connect? So we're basically gonna use this, right? And then instead of put, just delete.
That's the one. You guessed it. Yeah.
All right, can I just?
Tori is a senior
I'm
dev
just
now.
ripping this out, man.
Yeah, look at you, mate.
So I'm just gonna copy and paste over all
I
this,
knew
right?
you go. I knew you were gonna do that, but yeah, cool.
Bam. Well, hey, I'm saving time. I'm saving time. All we need is one little change here. Is
Okay,
it is
tell
it
me
delete?
what's exactly happening. I
So
just
we're
want to
just
make sure that. Mhm.
yeah, sure. So we're taking like before we're taking the connection ID, and then
Mhm.
basically we're deleting that connection ID from the DynamoDB table, which the table WebSocket. That's it.
Right, perfect.
So
And
whenever
mhm,
a client like I don't know closes their browser, then this should trigger this Lambda.
exactly, you're smashing it today. Look at you. He's on the roll.
I
Okay.
think it, oh let's change this though.
Yeah, I was gonna say that.
Okay, cool.
Fantastic.
That's it.
So, table name. Yeah, that should work.
Okay.
Now we can Sam build it and then deploy and see how smoothly it works.
Oh, yeah, PowerShell, good. Okay. Yeah, I didn't get I need to go and check out, see if I can update Python or something.
Update Python in what?
Yeah, I don't know if something like the see how Sam build is like it's so slow. But
Oh,
I
okay,
read
yeah.
I read that some other people have problems too. So I don't know.
Yeah, true though. I think it's just in the Windows because my Mac is. No, I'm not even kidding now. I'm serious. As in, I did this Sam build at least 50 times last night, and it was just flying. So I'm not entirely sure if, as in, there's a different version of Sam for Mac, which is actually really good optimized, but not for
Mhm.
Windows. I'm not entirely
Have you
sure about
have
that.
you tried it on your own PC? Or are you just
I don't
not
have a
an on
PC.
PC? I thought you had one for work.
Yeah, but that's just for work. I don't use
Oh,
AWS at
gotcha.
work. Yeah.
Yeah, so I think you're just spreading misinformation that Windows is slow.
Or who knows? Or who knows?
Well, here's the thing. Let's think about like if I could go and test the same thing on an EC2 instance, like a
Mm,
Windows EC2.
yeah,
I can
yeah.
check. I can check if it's just my computer, man. But other people reported
Mm-hmm.
on GitHub that the few ones I saw with slow builds, I think they were also Windows, but I didn't
Right,
confer
right,
that
right.
it's
Uh-huh.
only a Windows issue.
Hmm. Yeah, probably have a look if you can make any changes into SAM,
Yeah.
as in the code itself, because I know a person when I was experiencing really delays in code build, as in
Oh,
they did some tweaks and it reduced basically half the time.
oh really? That's nice. Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Leave me alone. Nothing wrong.
Yeah,
Still building. I'm just checking out one of these docs here
cool, cool. Oh, haven't you got a dark theme on?
for yeah, that's
Everything.
for my computer.
Every, yeah,
Yeah,
as in Windows dark theme.
yeah, I do.
Okay.
I'm a dark
Cause
person.
yeah, cause when I visit GitHub, it shows me everything in black, as
Okay.
in everything in dark, and that's really as in uh, eyes friendly as well.
You're saying this is not eyes friendly.
For me, it's not.
Oh, yeah. I mean, I don't mind, but yeah, I think where's the dark theme? Do you know? Do I have to change it in the settings?
Probably in settings.
Okay,
I would
whatever
say
then.
I'll quickly Google it and check.
All right, it's done building. Sam Boy G profile name roar. Good. We good? I'll deploy this.
No name.
Oh, there is no name. Okay,
No.
just
Yeah,
profile.
just a profile. Yeah, there we
Okay.
go. Deploy it. By the way, if you go to your GitHub, okay, here we go. We can do this one first.
Okay. It's doing its thing.
Okay, if you go to GitHub and go to your profile, yes, settings, appearance.
What's wrong with my appearance?
No, 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 your appearance, man. Your appearance is pretty good, to be honest. Yeah, here we
Oh,
go.
cool. Thank you.
Dark
That's nice.
default. There we go.
Dark high contrast, dark default, dark dim, the light. Oof, that's burning your eyes. Huh. Cool. Thanks, man.
It's alright.
Tab sizes. Oh, nice. Need to
Everything
need
is
to
there.
play around with the stuff. It's
Hmm.
too bad that they don't have a. There you go. Sync with system. Um, nice. Because my system settings are dark.
Right, right. I
It's
see.
too bad they don't have just like a toggle button though somewhere on the
Hmm.
page, so you don't
Yeah.
have to. I'm
True.
lazy. Oh, look at those contribution map. That guy is a that guy
Damn.
is a champ.
That guy's a guru in everything. Look at that.
That guy doesn't have a life.
Right,
Yeah,
let's
is
have a
that
look.
easier for you to read?
Well, yes. The font is still a bit small, but yeah, that's
Oh, the
fine.
font itself.
Yeah.
Hmm. Can you update that as well, or is that just
Yeah, I will
my
do.
system?
Uh, I think I don't know how to do it, but I'll have to find
That's
out.
just preferences. Well, I can just
Yeah,
zoom in
too.
on the page. That's cool. Or better.
Yeah, that's much better.
Yeah, cool. But yeah, I don't know. That was just the project. This is
Hmm.
probably done.
Yeah. Wow.
Still going.
Okay.
Almost.
Almost there. Almost there. Yeah.
Take a
There we
drink. You
go.
drink some. There you go. Drink some water.
Get
So,
hydrated.
if this works, which it will, of course, because we never have problems. But
Exactly.
uh,
Everything works the first time. I don't even know why the show is called Build, Break, and Fix. It should
yeah,
be just
just
build, build,
build.
build. That's
Yeah.
all.
So what's next on the agenda? Like after this part?
The next part would be to wire this up to be called from the front end.
Woohoo! That's where I can actually be useful.
Yeah, well, you're already being useful. Have a look. There you go. See, you've uploaded how many files, and you've actually pressed a Y to deploy the chain tab.
You got it.
Yeah. All right.
Isn't it great if somebody's watching you work and all this stuff is just flashing on the screen and they're just like,
Yeah.
"What is this?" If they know nothing about anything in programming, they're like, "This guy's a mad genius." I'm like, I don't
Yeah.
know. I don't
All
know
this
what's going on.
colorful. Yeah. He knows this. He knows his stuff, man. He knows his stuff.
I
See,
can, yeah.
not even a single error.
There's a really funny Docker file called Hollywood. Let me see if somebody has a GIF image of it. Yeah, it looks like this. Oh, here it is. Looks like this. So you run this
Oh.
Docker container, and then it's like doing all this crazy stuff on the screen, which is literally doing nothing at all. And
Yeah,
and
true.
yeah, well, the engineers who like showed this in some workshop I watched was like, yeah, sometimes because it was a workshop on Docker. He's like,
Mhm.
sometimes I just go on the plane and just run this Docker container while I'm working on my laptop and just see who notices.
Yeah, that's a pretty cool idea then.
Yeah, so funny.
See who notices it. Wow, he's a wizard.
Yeah. All right. This Pi socket testing time.
You bet it is. But first, we need to get the
I
URL,
like the
don't
way
we?
you said that. You bet it is. Oh, not CloudWatch. No.
I, I
We're not
think
even gonna. I don't even know why we need CloudWatch because we don't have
we,
problems.
it shouldn't even exist. We shouldn't even have permissions from AWS to access it. We don't need it at all, isn't it?
Nah.
Nah.
Just send you
I'll pause.
messages to tell you how many users are using the application and just give you congratulations, basically.
Yeah, that's all. Because
Send you congratulatory text messages to your phone.
yeah, yeah, and tell your bank to to, to send you reminders how many as in how many hundreds have been increased since 5 seconds.
That's right, man. I like that.
All right, there we
WebSocket.
go.
Is it the WebSocket one, right?
Yeah, WebSocket.
This music is making me
Hmm.
want to sleep. This track in particular.
You know you can change it. It's just there
Cool. You know what?
on the
Cute,
other
cute
tab.
Jesse likes it. I'm not changing it, man. Unless there's audience requests like different music.
True, true.
I mean, it is mellowing me out, to be honest.
But I
Nice.
guess that's cute Jess's taste, isn't it? Which is good.
All right. So
Okay. If so, no, 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 no. We don't need to do that now.
let's disconnect.
Yes. Actually, go to DynamoDB
Okay.
and delete all the connection IDs. Because the
All right.
reason why I want to do
Okay.
that is because I want to check if one ID gets inserted and then on disconnect the same ID gets deleted.
Gotcha.
You don't know if you can just type in the DynamoDB and it will come up. Ah, you're really smart, Tori. I like it.
I wanted to save it to my starred ones. Okay. Tables. How's work going, Zane?
Pretty full on. Hmm.
Yeah.
As in, yeah, no time to even kind of waste at all. As in, it's
Gotcha.
really kind of it's enhancing my time management skills, which is
Oh.
really
Oh.
good.
Okay. Yeah. That basically means you're doing a lot of work.
Yeah, yeah. I'm
um.
I'm
Cool.
just hitting the keyboard as in randomly, to be honest.
All right. We got
Okay,
three
yeah,
connection IDs in there, so
yeah.
I'll disconnect this, right?
Oh
And
no, as in delete all of them. I just want to make sure that it deletes, as in inserts and then deletes the same one. Yeah,
okay. Delete all these.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
You want
And
me to
now,
disconnect and reconnect?
yes, please.
All right. Let's make
Actu-
sure this
uh-huh.
is clear.
Yeah.
Okay. All items
Run.
deleted successfully. Connect.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Connected.
Go in the
And
DynamoDB and check. Press run.
uh oh, run. Okay.
Okay.
We got this one.
One is there.
Disconnect.
Yeah.
Moment of
Disconnect.
moment of truth.
Mm-hmm.
Connection
Okay. And now
closed.
go back and check. Run again. Okay. So that didn't work. Right. I think not our problem. It's the DynamoDB's problem. Our
Oh, okay. That
code
makes
works,
sense.
man. Come on. We never make. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. By the way, it's our code.
I'm so I'm sorry, Amazon. I was kidding.
Okay, yeah. Let's go to cloud.
The thing we don't use, man.
Yeah. Never.
um, log groups, right?
Yeah.
If anything, if I had to guess, it's not the Lambda. Like it's not on the disconnect Lambda. It's probably just the YAML.
Right. We'll find out. Don't worry.
Oh, okay.
Click on the first one.
This one.
Yeah, that's the API thing.
Gotcha.
Good. That is J15, 16. No, that's just today's okay. Don't worry about that
Well,
one.
yeah. Okay. That's all I
Yeah,
got.
because it's the 16th today, and that's showing all the 15.
True.
We need to track which Lambda it was. So go to CloudFormation. type in there, Tori. Come on, come on.
That
See,
took like
that's how
10
quick it
extra key.
was.
That took like 10 extra keystrokes. I like
True
that.
though. True. Imagine how many keystroke would actual coding take when you have to literally code from scratch.
Dude, I just open up my mic and I just do like dictation.
Voice to text, yeah. I
Yeah.
like it. I like, I like it. All right. Let's find out which lambda it was.
It's this stack, right? Yeah. Okay.
Resources. Okay, we need to check the thing for
Disconnect.
disconnect lambda. Yeah,
Huh?
disconnect
Why?
handler function.
Here.
Disconnect handler function. Yeah,
Oh, this.
the top one.
Roll.
Yeah,
Okay.
mhm. And when it appears, go
Yep.
to go to monitor.
Okay.
View logs in CloudWatch. Yep, it's opened in a separate tab. Right, let's see where we went wrong or if it was even in Lambda function.
Where are the metrics? Come on. Last modified 9 minutes ago. That's when it was created, right?
Yeah,
Let's see if it was invoked.
yeah, that'd be a good starting point.
I don't know what's taking so long.
It's the Bali's internet story.
Could be. I'm not using my mobile data, which is generally a lot
Hmm,
faster.
I see.
Log group does not exist.
So it didn't even get triggered in the
Hold
first
on.
place.
What region?
Interesting.
Yeah.
It didn't even get triggered.
Invocations. None.
Do you wanna
Yeah.
go back? We will probably have to troubleshoot it.
Okay. So it got deployed, but it didn't get triggered.
Apparently.
Mhm. All
On
right.
disconnect.js.
Here's the
Oh,
disconnect. Here's
sorry, my bad. My bad. Go down. I think I know what the problem is. Go right down.
keep going. Right at the
Yeah,
bottom.
yeah, right at the bottom.
Yeah. You see my
Right at the
screen?
bottom. Yeah,
I'm at the bottom.
right at the bottom. As in right at the bottom. Completely
Right.
down.
Oh, right here.
As in towards the end of the
Oh,
template.
there's stuff.
Yeah, that one.
Oh, gotcha.
Go up a bit.
Okay.
Slightly. You know where it says the online what 316, it says connect root. I think we need to add a disconnect root as well
This deployment thing.
underneath there. Underneath connect root, we need to add disconnect root as well. I think that might have been the problem, but I'm not
Okay.
entirely sure. Yeah, let's try the
Do you
let's
mind
try
if I
this one now.
just look at
Yeah,
the
yeah,
this doc real quick within their YAML?
yeah, for sure. I think that's basically where um I that guy corrected me.
Outputs, blah blah blah. Depends on. Oh well, that's different then. But I think yeah, they like
Um,
They
Um,
deployed
in,
this thing first. I don't know. What is this file? Disconnect route.
Go down.
Oh, here we go.
What did
Here you
the,
go. Here you go. Here you go, Zane. You
yeah,
found it.
yeah, I
That's
thought so. Yeah, okay, cool, perfect. You, you found it. Yeah,
how come.
perfect.
How come
So
the default route doesn't matter though?
the default route, what do you mean that he hasn't got that in the repo?
Well, I
Is
mean,
that what
here we
you're?
have this like default route, right?
Mhm.
But like in his case, he has the whatever. I'll just deploy this.
So in his
Sam build.
case, yeah,
I gotta build it,
um,
right?
yeah. So just for future, if we do any code changes, then we need to build it. But if we don't do any code changes, then just straight deploy it.
I mean, I could
Simple.
just run and run to the build folder and just add that.
Oh yeah. Oh look, he's a wizard. He's a wizard. Oh my
If only
goodness.
it
So
worked like that, man. That would be nice instead of this really bad build process on my computer. It's really slow.
invest
Yeah,
in
so
a new
like
machine.
here you have
Okay.
the. Yeah, I know. I do need to get a better laptop, honestly. But that I'm saving for when I go back.
Mm, yeah, that
Um,
makes sense. So completely.
this depends on like you have the connect route and the disconnect route. Why is the default route not here too? I guess is what I'm saying. Or
I
your
think the
test handler
default,
route, whatever it's called.
yeah, yeah. I think the default route isn't there because at the moment we don't plan to pass anything unexpected to the WebSocket. So, say for example, if we did want to test the error handling mechanism, then we would implement a default route.
Okay, gotcha.
Does
I
that
think
make
I got
sense?
you. Yeah. I think I got you, dude.
Okay.
Yeah. So this depends on thing. It tells it how to basically like deploy them and connect them.
Comment properties.
I mean, in like any cloud
How about
formation
if we
template.
Google this? Because to be
I learned
honest,
this, but
I
I
don't
forgot.
know.
I learned it, but I just like I
Hmm.
haven't been using this.
Yeah, that makes sense though, which is why it'll be good for refresher.
Like I learned join, I think. I learned ref, and then I forgot.
Mm-hmm.
Don't use it. Yeah.
Yeah, there just I think so many terms that we can easily forget.
Well, yeah. I mean, cloud formation is like this whole declarative language that you need
Mm,
to learn.
yeah, exactly.
um,
Okay,
it
just type
says
in. It depends on you can
follows
specify that.
another. Yeah.
Oh
Only
right.
after. I guess that was what I was trying to articulate, but couldn't for some reason.
The
But yeah,
resources security only
I
output
remember
from
that
the.
from the study
Oh, so
I did.
right. So basically, what would happen is that when the deployment is done, then only it will create the routes.
Right. Because
Ah.
if it does it first, then it just is like not connected, right?
Hmm.
Because it has
Yeah.
to do things in certain steps, right, in order for it to work correctly.
Yes, and also because routes are on the API, and
Right.
it can't be the other way around where
You
API
can't
is on the
make a
routes. Yeah.
gotcha. Right. You can't like because the lambda, like the ARN and all this other jazz, like
Yeah.
it like the API gateway needs to be built first, and then take the ARN from the Lambda, like or whatever I'm
Yeah.
trying to
Yeah.
say,
Yeah.
and other stuff.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
You're just being agreeable. I'm not even making sense.
Mm, no, I get your point because I guess what you're
Don't
trying to
know what I'm
say
talking.
is that if there are two services and one actually depends on the other, then the other one has to deploy first, and then the
Yeah,
first one will get deployed because the first one is actually dependent on the second one.
yeah. Like
Yeah,
you can't make a WebSocket without like having the API gateway first,
yeah,
right?
yeah, absolutely. So, just to point out, I wasn't just agreeing. I knew what you were
No, I
talking about.
wasn't. I wasn't. It wasn't actually a jab at you. It was a jab at myself for not
Ah,
knowing
okay,
what
right,
I'm talking
right,
about.
right. Yeah, that's actually a pretty good technique, though. I like it.
It's like I don't know what I'm talking about.
All right,
Okay.
you know. Yeah,
Uh huh.
I really hope this works. If it doesn't, we would have to come back to it tomorrow.
Oh no. If I hit enter without hitting yes, it's still yes, right?
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah. You know, GecDev was like, where are they? Yesterday,
Hmm.
yesterday he texted me, where are they? Where are you guys? And I'm like, it's Saturday.
Yeah, yeah.
And he
He
was like,
texted me as
I
well.
don't care, get on.
No, when I actually told him that stream day off, but I'm still working on the web sockets. He goes, if you're working on the web socket, you should just stream by yourself. And I'm like, I need to focus and have a bit of speed, and which
Yeah,
is
you
kind of
do.
hard if you're streaming. To be honest.
You do. Well, it's like work. Like you're gonna
Hmm.
work with other people, you're gonna do other stuff, but you also need your own. You need your
Yeah.
own hours.
Hmm. Exactly. Yeah, so the next step would be to, as in, kind of wire up with the front end. That'll
Dude,
be another learning
I
curve.
gotcha. I gotcha on that. I
Yeah,
gotcha.
come on, come on, Tori, we're relying on you on the front end now.
We
You're
can
the lifesaver.
yeah. I mean, we can probably get the client thing hooked up pretty quickly.
Okay, right, I see.
It's not too much code, to be honest. Pretty.
Hmm.
It's basically what
Cool.
I copy and paste from MDM. Yeah, from MDN. That's like all you need to copy and paste, and then just like I guess you're using vanilla JavaScript, right? So you
Yeah.
just need to like receive a message and then just write some on that on message like event handler, whatever you're gonna have in there. It's just like,
Mm-hmm.
okay, got the message. Now just create the card and render this div to the screen
Right. I see.
in this
Yeah.
spot.
Because I guess the first step would be to, as in, just when we kind of load the board, it should automatically connect to the WebSocket. I think
Yeah,
that would be the
that's easy
first step. Okay, cool. I've
because
not
you're
done
just gonna
that, so
yeah, you'll just have like a DOM like window like on load event on DOM content load, and it'll just like fire up the WebSocket on that event.
right. That that's that actually sounds pretty easy, to be honest.
It's pretty easy. Like, yeah, it's not going to be hard. What's going to
Okay.
be hard is the back end.
It is hard, obviously.
Yeah,
But
because that.
we got there.
Well, I mean, it won't be too bad if that route is working. All you need to
Yeah.
do is like basically have messages pass through there. But
Hmm.
I think the tricky part is that the messages need to go there and they need to interact with the database from the table, right? For the actual for the actual board and like delete messages, put messages, right?
Yeah.
Put
Yeah. Yeah.
put cards, delete cards, because now you have multiple clients doing it all at once. So now,
Well, it will only save everything when the guy who created the board presses the save button. So everyone won't
yep.
have ability to, as in, interact with the database. Only the guy who has
Oh, only someone
created the
who
board.
created the board.
Yeah,
So other people can't create cards. They can only watch.
they can create. Okay, so everyone can create a card. They can. Okay, they can. They can create a card, but they can't interact with the database. So they can do everything on the screen. So say for example, there's 10 cards on the screen at the moment.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, but when the user wants to save it, only one user which have created the board, he would have the ability to save it. The others would only have the ability to see what's happening on the screen. That's all.
So they can't save cards.
No, they can't.
So
Only
they can't create cards, or they
okay.
just can create them, but they can't save them.
Yes, so they can create the cards on the screen, but they
Okay.
can't save it from the screen to the
Oh, okay.
database.
That's interesting. So the host or whatever you want to call it, the board creator, can like decide to save it or not.
Exactly.
Gotcha. Okay.
Hmm.
So that's even. So then, yeah, all you kind of need to do is just pass the board. Like when you create like a client who's not a.
That's done already.
Yeah. I don't know. We'll get there.
Yeah, yeah. All right, so let's test this functionality and check if it works. Um,
Socket.
disconnect.
All right.
Actually,
Is it?
maybe
Is
go
it the
to
same?
um Dynamo first and check if it's
I
actually
deleted it.
working. Okay, cool.
Okay. See.
Connecting to, all
Okay.
right, that's established.
Oops. Run. There. That's the new one. Let's
Okay.
disconnect. Run. No.
Nice.
So
Okay.
sad. So sad, man.
Client document.
See if this got invoked at all.
I'm just checking if you're using the right function to delete.
You mean the
Yeah,
like?
we are.
Yeah, we are. That's why
Mm,
I went to that repo and checked.
yeah, right, right.
Well,
That's
also,
unfortunate.
let's see if we invoked this at all. This is the right one, right? Yeah, that's it. Nothing.
I think there must be some other logic to delete it.
too bad.
All right, we'll come back to
What
you
is going on
tomorrow.
there?
Interesting.
He looks pretty tired.
Yeah, it
Um,
is.
all right, I'm gonna
All right,
kill the music or leave it while you do the outro.
that's all right. All right, guys. Been a really good progress. Um, we got halfway to making the disconnect work, which was really good. Another step closer to the good uh outcome. And yeah, thanks a lot for tuning in. We'll see you back here with the full functionality hopefully in the next session. Same time, same place, and
A different task.
there we go. We said it. All right, guys. Have a good night.
Thank, thank you, everyone. Have a
Cheers.
great night. Thanks, cute Jesse.
Cheers. Bye.
Cheers.